The third product on this list is the TOMSHOO stove. This camping stove is made of strong stainless steel and is built to last a long time, even under heavy use or with high heat. The windproof serrated cross stand offers a stable platform for your cookware and increases heat contact. The most interesting thing about this unit is its versatility. Although it's a tremendous alcohol burner, it's also made with the option of wood burning, allowing you to use twigs as fuel to cook up a meal or heat water on your hike. The wood stove is designed with a simple yet effective structure. A wide opening makes it easy to add wood, the double wall system creates a clean gasification and secondary combustion. Meanwhile, the air vents near the bottom improve air circulation to help the fuel burn more thoroughly with less smoke. Furthermore, at only 1 pound, this portable wood stove minimizes the burden on your backpack. Additionally, this device is foldable and lightweight. It's easily collapsible into compact size of just 5.4 by 2.8 inches and can be packed into the mesh carrying sack for convenient storage. Lastly, you'll find that this camp wood stove comes with a grill that allows you to start a barbecue wherever you set up your camp. It is suitable for camping, hiking, backpacking, picnics, outdoor survival, and other adventures. Its pros are, it has a solidified alcohol pan and wood burning option for more versatility, it has a robust steel structure that's sure to last, and it compacts down to a highly portable size. However, its cross-shaped pot rack doesn't always stay in position and can be vexing to fix if your hands are stiff from the cold. The TOMSHOO stove is a fantastic unit for longer excursions where you may worry about not being able to carry enough fuel to last the journey.